Omubarahira harimu umukuru w'entebe ya katano n'abakansara be kandi omukoro ogu gwaba kitebe kikuru kya district eyisingiro.
So in the name of Almighty God, solemnly affirm that I shall faithfully exercise the function of the district chairperson of Isingiro district. Members, na ninyenda kubashaba kanso eitwazamu eitwatandikate yanguhiri abo kuba a lot of expectations kandi ebinkuhamya ngo umwe n'ubushanga utabishanganye.
Bamwe mu barahira ebigambo babifutana nk'ebikambi.
I Nisima Hapejuna, I swear in the name of Almighty God that we will be faithfully and bear true allegiance to the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution, so help me God.
Bwanyima kanso yatora na speaker no muhezi we Herbert Ninsima orukujwe Kyeregombora ya Kashumba kandi nowe yasingwa ko bwa speaker arukuherwaho naturinda Amos Owanyamuyanja.
That I will be faithful and be true allegiance to the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, that I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution, so help me God. Congratulations, Honorable Mahindi.
I, Ninsima Herbert, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will at all times well and truly serve the district as the district speaker in the office of the district speaker.
Bamwari bakansara barahira baragana sokorera abantu babona umutima gumwe.
Waza umukanso wa deputy atwafuru speaker ninkusaba okurengu wakora oburinganiza mu bakansara bawe na deputy wawe wabira speaker Amusi nimbasaba kurengu intunguka yona yaza urugombora aboko twine bintu bingi amashomero amarwaro kurengu ishomero bitari deko nguyaza
wenu message y'inkwabebembezi bagenzi banje no kurengu twakwatanisa twayihamu intrigue twayihamu entaro omuntu kwotaramu hagire reka kumurenko mwinazi
naza kutereza enguto kurga mutukura kuza kwija kuno yo mutawuni kaso ejo bari baza kukikora yagira mbageti nyenda kutwara umushoku kandi ugaruka kumusima ngo ibintu bimwe yakoze.
Omuganda makuru district ya Mitoma erizoba yarahiza bebembezi bayo abwenchuro ye2023 kandi omukoro ogu gwakorwa mbuga nkuru za district omuru Mitoma.
Kalitundu Alex Okanga, swear in the name of Almighty God that I shall be faithful and be true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution.
Swear in the name of the Almighty God, solemnly affirm that I will at all times well and truly serve the district of Mitoma in the office of Speaker, and that I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established.
Number one, National Chakata, not the Samui, the first book of Samui. Should I come in? I can give a passion. The Kajirakati. Lewa, Yaha, Munyobe Selezo, Misho, Damkama, no Kyokun, Misho Damkama, Nadomi, Shugumtwe, Gomutwe, Washiba Washut, Niebuza, Ntomba, Naja Chilente.
Omukoro gugwa ebemberwa Chief Justice Gibson Mahanji kandi yabanzo kurahiza chairman omusya Alex Kartundu.
It is a constitutional mandate in Article 181, Sub-Article 4 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, 1995. It provides 5-year term of local government councils.
I stand before you deeply humbled and honored by the trust you have put in me as Chairman LC5. I accept my responsibility with gratitude, commitment, and clear understanding the leadership is not about power, but service.
Na bwanyuma habaho kutera akaruruko bwa speaker kandi kansara wa Katengo Mushija Kanso John Tibbs akanyamahanga niwe yatoranwa nka speaker omusya.
Consider and treat all matters that shall come under their deliberations in just and faithful manner.
Bamwe mu bakansara barahira bagambe barukuza kukorera abantu babo.
Abantu bamutaragaza kwesije nje ngagera mu kanso ya mito. Ndekateka kubakorera bijya mu makata y'inci ngomborera yanjye bakangambira gukorana bafa. Icyo kureba imihanda ikava mibi. Imihanda ni mibi ejo nyenda maze first priority. Ndemwe yiti yabaje
nubwo bimwe bya bitagendaje nanisimbiriho karuka deputy speaker buka kabibi yasimba nibyo barubabida but I appreciate the courage n'abantu bakan supporting.
Gasha kwa Lucy Nwamanya na Abraham Muganzi.